Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Disney, ticker symbol DIS. So Disney has been going down a little recently. We're up here close to 200 bucks, and we've been drifting downward ever since. Now the 200-day moving average has been moving up, and the 20 days kind of been going down slightly. And here what we have is a death cross, so that's not good. Looks like Disney could be heading lower. Very bullish on Disney in the future with Disney Plus, parks opening, everything like that. They're just raised ticket prices again at the parks, so people are not going to stop going to Disney. I mean, that's just not going to happen. I don't see it. So I see their revenues going up. I think they're going to be doing well in the future, but for some reason they're going down a little. So let's look at this technical indicator. The MACD has been very small on either side. Not a lot of commitment or momentum in the market. So not really a lot to say about that. And then here we had a positive indicator, but it did flip lower. So not good. If we get renewed interest in this stock and it starts moving higher, all these could flip very quickly to the positive side. Now I do have a cash covered put here that I've been rolling forward for quite a while, and I'm stuck with it right now. The covered call that I had expired worthless last week before. Go back and check out my videos, and when you're there, subscribe, and make sure you smash that like button for this video. But overall, Disney is going down, at least this week, it looks like, unless there's some other news out there. It's below the 20-day moving average, it's below the 200-day moving average, and that's not good. But it could be a buying opportunity. You can see here before, it was below the 20-day moving average, and it spiked up pretty high. So, while I wouldn't sell a cash covered put just yet, I would wait until a couple of these indicators flip to the positive side. Then I might do that. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for when that happens. I'll try to get a video out there with an update. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.